Welcome to part 25 of what's inside the roadmap course. In this series, I'm telling you exactly what you can expect to learn, so you don't have to kind of buy and then find out. I did that for you. By the way, my name is Rico. I'm a digital marketer making a living in this space, and I use AI to do most of the job, so I don't have to work as hard. I'll teach you that in another time, but we're looking at 8 videos under the module 24, Creatives with Canva. You can learn about Canva home navigation, setting up your brand kit, design tips, customizing a Canva template, creating a logo, creating social media templates, downloading files, and then a whole part about organization. Canva is your solution if you're not a trained digital graphic artist like I am. So certainly you don't have to have all the skills before you get into the space. You learn everything as you go, especially with the roadmap course. It is really designed for the beginner who's never even ventured into the digital space to try to do anything, much less create a brand around yourself and sell products for a profit. Stay tuned for part 26. We're really close to the end where everything wraps up and you know exactly what you're getting into.